So we've popped down to the Crusader manufacturing facility where we are so excited to be able to show more of that composite construction. So these are roofs we're looking at right now. Roofs, not hoofs, roofs. So the roofs behind me are for vans that are currently in the production line, having all the furniture assembled on the chassis side of the manufacturing facility. And all of it's being built where they're going to then be hoisted up, lifted, craned, and then laid up over the sidewall construction of the Caravan. But most manufacturers, they fit the product after the roof has actually gone onto the Caravan, which means people got their knees on the roof, they're climbing across the roof, they're not able to work to the best of their ability because they're literally hunched over thinking, God, why am I on this roof? Crusader have a very alternate approach. We have some hoists set up over this way that you can see, and what they do is they lift the roof up and they actually fit all the product to the underside of the hoist standing. Super easy. Why? Because it means that you're less likely to slip with an impact driver. You're less likely to slip with a drill. You're working comfortable. Think about it, sit and stand desks. Those things weren't around 30 years ago. Now, man, they're almost standard across most people's working areas. People work so much better when they're in a comfortable environment. So this is how we design that comfort. The roofs are laid up across our hoisting system and everything is fitted. The silicon seal across this dome antenna, the finish on the solar panels is absolutely gorgeous. It is so refined, so well sealed. These manufacturers doing an overseal like that, get in the bin. It's a shocker. You're doing it because you don't trust the construction process with your Caravan. The fantastic thing with Crusader roofs is, come down, they're all XPS foam core construction, which means no water can get into the frame and stay in the frame. Nothing can be eaten, nothing can be ruined, nothing can be taken away from the product. You dunk it in a bucket of water, you pull it back out, it's the same way. As soon as the water dries, it can't ingress, it can't hold, as opposed to an aluminium constructed roof that still allows for ingress through joins. It can still get in, it can still damage ply, it can still damage timber supports that are in the roof for those fixtures to the roof. Meranti frames, well, hey, don't need to tell you what I think about Meranti frames. Water gets in, it eats, it rots, it's a cancer. This is really the next level of manufacturing. Comfort is top quality. With comfort comes precision. With precision comes the aesthetic, becomes your next van. Why Crusader? My question is, why anyone else? There isn't a manufacturer that has a facility that develops simply and only composite constructed caravans. Why? Well, Crusader Caravans is one of the largest, if not largest, caravan manufacturer in Australia right now, building full constructed composite caravans. There's a reason everyone's jumping on the Crusaders and the Dreamhavens. The real question is, why haven't you? Pick up the phone, 03-9359-2938. Head to the website, see more of these videos of the guy with the receding hairline talking, www.crusadercaravans.melbourne.com.au, or head to our YouTube, like, subscribe, head down to 1457 Sydney Road, Campbellfield, and see what it's all about. We've got something for everyone, especially you, Muriel, you cheeky thing.